he asked me to cook. I grabbed some, some groceries. He wanted fish, so some hot sauce.
You recording now?
Some lemon juice, because I'm frying fish. So he said, don't worry about it tonight, just put it in the cabinet, right? I opened the cabinet. This the cabinet. He said, this is the cabinet.
That's cold-blooded.
Next to the cinnamon. I don't even know what this is.
Come on, man. Put the stuff in.
Okay. It's going in there. Calm down. But this the seasoning cabinet, right? Because this is how you be cooking in here.
I don't cook. You already know that.
I don't know. You right. I know that. I have never seen you cook. So he done turned his seasoning cabinet. Okay, I'm just putting. Just put them up. The lemon juice is gonna be in the back of his back here. It's a nice little selection.